Today at Birchwood Chevrolet, we're talking Apple CarPlay. For this video, we are using the 2019 Chevrolet Malibu. However, Apple CarPlay comes standard in all new vehicles sold at Birchwood Chevrolet, Buick, and GMC. To activate Apple CarPlay, simply connect your phone to the cord that comes with it, and then connect that cord to the USB port located inside the vehicle. Once connected, tap the Apple CarPlay icon on the screen to activate CarPlay. To navigate CarPlay, you can use the display dials in your vehicle, your voice,
Hey Siri, call Mom.
or simply use the touchscreen. A cool feature of CarPlay is the ability to use Apple Maps. Simply touch the Maps icon, and your phone's built-in GPS can take you wherever you're looking to go.
Starting route to work. Head south on Perimeter Highway.
Another feature of CarPlay is the ability to send and receive phone calls. Again, touch the phone app and tell Siri whoever you would like to call in your contacts.
Call Mom.
Calling Mum. Mobile.
So send or receive text messages using Apple CarPlay. Touch the message icon and Siri will give you the option of reading your messages or sending a new one.
Who do you want to send it to?
Mom.
What do you want to say?
Hey Mom, I'll be home for dinner by 5 p.m.
Finally, with Apple CarPlay, you can listen to your favorite music or podcasts while on the go. To experience Apple CarPlay for yourself, come see us at Birchwood Chevrolet, located in the Point West Auto Park.